what do
read.
you read? Like, of course, like your English honors books and all.
Yes, but I recent days I too much fond about short types of novel and short stories. I love to read such types of stories, books,
So you read
and I
English books, no?
yes. Just short story, like 1 pages, 2 pages books, a 2 pages story, and because it's timeless and it's time convenient for me because actually every week at least 9:30 to 6 o'clock I spend my time in my office. That is why it's
Yeah, that's
really neat. Yeah. Otherwise, it's okay. Whatever I learn, because I made mistake, it is also true. But I also impress someone, and I also impress through my videos that they feel yes, everyone can capable, everyone can speakable, because it's the way of learning process. Because we are not born in this particular field where people are speaking through
and
daily life with your friends
like
with
I don't know if you know. Have you heard the name of Delhi University?
yes.
Okay,
Mhm.
so now you must have you like are you do you watch news or newspaper? Do you read newspaper or do you watch news or something like that?
Okay, recently I didn't, watch such types of news that you want
So
to share
you
me. I don't.
yeah the now like the 12th class results got announced, and after the Delhi University is basically coming up with cutoffs. So there are cutoffs like 99% you can get admission in
Okay.
that colleges. So
Hmm.
now many of like I'm giving you just an example to like say that it can
Okay.
inspire you.
Okay.
So there are people from Kerala. So in Kerala board,
Okay.
there are many students who are getting 100%. So they are getting admissions
Yes.
in colleges. So in my colleges, in which college I got
Okay.
admit, it's a very like it's a brand Hindu college. I don't know if you have heard its
Yes.
name.
Yes.
Hindu.
Yes.
Have you heard?
Hindu college also available in Banaras.
No, it's like the Hindu college. The Hindu. You know the
Okay.
newspaper The Hindu? Yeah, it's just like the
Yes.
Hindu
Yes.
college in Delhi University. It's very famous. So in that
Okay.
college, you know what happened? Like on there are like some hundreds. There are 20 seats of general candidate in which 19
Okay.
seats got stuck by Kerala students. Like all like everyone came in Delhi University from Kerala. Okay, and there was one child, I don't know where he was. So they are like protest going on, like why you are taking Kerala students. So let me tell you,
Hmm.
the students from Kerala, they don't know English, they don't know Hindi, because in where we speak Hindi or English, they usually know
Yes.
Malayalam. But now I'm
Hmm.
talking to my seniors and like who are the toppers and all. The second topper is also from Kerala. The third topper is also from Kerala. So they came here, they learned English. In the first year, she
Hmm.
told me how difficult it was for her. She has to write assignments again and again because her English was not approved, right? She was not able to understand Hindi because here professors they are teaching in a mixture of English and Hindi. Okay, but
Yes.
she was not able to understand what was Hindi, and also in
Hmm.
like her English was not that good. Like we people are living in Delhi, and our English is very fluent
Okay.
comparatively, I'll say. So
Yeah.
her English was not that good. So she told me that how many difficulties she faced in first year, but in second year she was able to she was doing hard work. She's constantly reading, and she was the second topper of that of that college. Like in the college I got admission, and even I got admission in
Okay.
99.5 cutoff. 99.5 is the cutoff
Okay.
for my subject. It's history honors. So here and you see those children, like those students don't know English, but still they're
Yeah.
getting admission on the basis of the knowledge they're having. So
Yeah.
and
Hmm.
now even they are understanding that they don't know English, they don't know Hindi, and they are even trying to learn English. They're writing in the
Yes.
exams. Maybe they're not able to top in the very first year, but they are able to. Even the first topper is also from Kerala. Second topper is also from Kerala. So hard work matters. It is not that you should know Hindi or you should know English. If you are having knowledge, if you are doing the hard work, you're gonna succeed from anywhere.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
Definitely.
what I'm
Definitely.
trying to tell you. Like you know what happened in political science subject. The
Yeah.
Hindu college took the cutoffs were 100%, and there were so many Kerala students who want to take political science that the Hindu college have to increase their seats. There are no seats.
Okay.
Everyone got 100%. There are 100 students getting 100%, and the seats are 50. So they have to increase the seats.
Okay.
So there is a lot of like rush going over. So I was just telling you, like,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah. So I just got admission in history. I don't want to pursue political science honors, so I want to do
Okay. Okay.
history.
Mm-hmm.
Like she told me, like she faced problems. She don't know Hindi. She don't know like
Mm-hmm.
she doesn't know English. She doesn't know Hindi, and she
Okay.
even told me like the quality of Kerala education is not that good, and the teachers are
Yes.
giving marks over there.
Yes.
But what matters, as she is hardworking, she is even able to top here. So it depends on
Okay.
person. The It's basically on the Kerala environment that the parents teach them that you should be hardworking. So time
Okay.
it takes time, but at the end of the day, knowledge matter, not language. You're gonna learn it somehow, sometime late,
Yes.
sometime early.
Yes. Mm-hmm. That's why it's late for me to learn this language, but I am improve a lot for my side. I am satisfied what I am, in front of camera, what is my position now till today. So I am satisfied, but I need to speak more fluent. So that's also matter. I don't think that it's sufficient for me, and I'm not learn something new things which is important for me. So that is the things I
Even
just increase
when
my level
I changed
day
my
to
school,
day.
like I was when I was in 10th grade, I was in different school, and when I opted for humanities, arts, because I want to just opt
Okay.
humanities. I got 97.2% in 10th, but I don't want to take join science or like commerce stream. I want to pursue UPSA, so I have to change my school. So in that school, the English of everyone was like more superior, like they were
Okay.
better. So I went to the school. I gave my first exam in every subject. History, I used to have history, geography, Hindi, political science, psychology, and English. So in every other
Okay.
subject except English, I topped, but in English I didn't. Though overall I topped because like marks of 5 subjects, they're gonna overpower English definitely. But I like why not English? Why I'm getting 2 marks less than the topper? I need to overcome. So believe me, knowledge matters. Some way or the other, you're gonna get through that. You have to be motivated enough, and you're gonna get through. Just hard work matters. If you are doing it,
Yeah.
not you are definitely gonna come across. English is not something like a knowledge thing. English is not like you have to. It's not a thesis. It's simply a language. You should enjoy
Yeah.
conversing with people. Communication is important. You should try to learn things, and you're gonna get across a way. It's pretty easy. You just have to be consistent. You should try to read daily and all.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, I'm trying my best every single day. So it takes time, but I will be reach my goal purpose, and I have goal. So that's why I'm here, and it's really increased my efficiency, increase my commitment, whatever I learn through English, because lots of working, and they just spend their time with
Okay,
YouTube or any other platform.
if you're reading something, you're not
Okay.
able to understand a word, you're not understand the meaning of the line, and if you're not understand that why you're using that particular verb with that particular subject, or why you're using that
Mm-hmm.
particular conjunction with the subject, you can just text me on Skype. Okay, I will like solve your
Okay.
query over there. Like if you
Okay.
don't have
Thank you.
time, you don't
Thank
have the time to Google or something, you're not able to understand on Google, you can just text me. I'll just send the audio, just write like why we use that word. Okay.
Okay, okay, definitely, definitely. Why not? Why not? Because we are here for learning something new thing, which through you or through something another tutor, because we are not sufficient our knowledge purpose. We are learning something through you because
And
it's
even now,
military for us.
everyone is learning. Even now, if I am talking to you, I've learned something new, and maybe I'll
Yes.
read something and I'll find like why this. So I'll even Google out. I'll ask my teachers. I'll ask my new teachers. I'll ask my mom. So
Okay.
just keep on happening. You should not like there's never a state in life that I'm like I have fully learned that thing and there is nothing to learn
Yes, yes,
anymore. That's
yes,
important.
yes, yes. Absolutely, absolutely. You are true. Absolutely, because if you knock me, if you knock someone, then I realize what I made mistake while talking. Like not only for me, when you knock someone, then he or she can understand what is the importance while talking, what types of sentence making. That is also matter. But if you do, I think you really need to knock someone like me, and it's benefit like my side, because you knock me, then I realize myself, and I definitely work on it for my fluency purpose, and that's
Yeah.
why. But okay, finally
There,
I
and
learned
I even
something
talked to
new.
like many, as I was talking to many Kerala students, I even talked to another girl from Kerala, and she just shared me an article. So I just pointed her, like, I told her, Didi, you know what is the meaning of Didi? Sasha's
Yes,
Didi sister,
yeah,
yeah.
elder
Yeah,
sister, because
sisters. I just
here
told her that
Bengali.
there are mistakes in the article. Can I improve? Like I am, and of course I am younger than her, like 3 or 4 years. But I told you like there are mistakes. So can I like point out those mistakes? Because I think it's better if you can point out, they can recognize their mistakes and they can improve.
Mhm.
So she said yes, and she was thankful to me because she is from Kerala, and even
Yes.
there are problems with I don't know, the Kerala boards give marks to students, right? uh, if they not that good English, because their main mother tongue is Malayalam, so they are giving them 100 on 100 and they're not focusing on
Okay.
improving their English. My English teacher was so, I think I'm blessed to have that teacher. She was so determined. I used to write sample papers. She
Mhm.
used to scold me, but she used to correct me that this is not wrong, this is wrong, and I got 100 on 100. So yeah, it shows. And when I was in 10th, I got 95 out there. So yeah, so we are working on that minute errors. So I
Okay.
even want like people should improve, and people can only improve if they know what their mistakes are, correct them. So yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Why not? Because I heard about Kerala student. I talk with my friends who are living in Kerala. They ask me how to improve, and they are fluent about English, but they also ask me how to change our life, like
No,
spoken way.
they are
So
fluent.
I
They are
know
fluent. They know
because
how to converse,
yeah,
but there are
yes,
grammatical errors. A lot of grammatical errors.
yes, absolutely. But I told him that you.
Correct sentence formation.
Okay, okay, now it's okay.
I'm not able to do.